Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Tuesday morning. Coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. video. Been away for the weekend. I had an extended weekend, so I haven't been posting daily. However, I'm going to get back to that, so I'll have to post a video today, tomorrow, and the following. So before I get into it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Today I wanted to mix it up a little bit. I want to get into more like the crypto space. It's something that I am invested in a little bit. I am in Coinbase. However, I'm not directly in Bitcoin. So just wanted to let you guys know my thoughts on this. So Coinbase ticker is COIN. Obviously Bitcoin is Bitcoin. So if I were to buy Bitcoin, it'd be through Coinbase because I'm a shareholder of Coinbase. My average share cost on Coinbase right now is right around $310. So it is right now at a dismal $221.50. I believe that's like 30% down from my cost base. So if you're not in Coinbase, in short, it's a great time to buy. I think crypto in general has, in my opinion, it's basically at its rock bottom. It's been obviously super volatile. I think it's to a point now where there's so much steam behind it, it's just not gonna go to zero or go away. People just need to implement clean mining and really put things in place for it to really start catching traction again. So I feel like buying Coinbase at $221 is a complete steal. I thought when it IPO'd and shot up to $400 a share, I thought that was even a deal, which is why I bought in around $360, $350. I should have waited, but I've been slowly averaging costs down when I feel like it's right. I've been buying at $225, $230. I did not buy recently. If I do, I'll make a video letting you know what I bought at and how much percentage of my cost base, just so you can get a gauge on how much I bought. But yeah, $225.50, great time to start a position in my opinion. And Coinbase has been, at highs of 65, 70,000. It's now down to 32,900. So it basically had to over a 50% correction in the past couple months just due to the Elon Musk saying that he's no longer accepting it and they need to find a way for a cleaner solution to mine the coins. Just a whole bunch of, crypto badness. So basically everything follows Bitcoin in general. So when Bitcoin's not doing good, really all other cryptos are not doing good. However, I do think they'll find a way to make it clean. They'll put it back on some sites where like Elon will probably bring it back and say, we're now accepting it again. Another big thing about Bitcoin right now is Venmo, which is obviously owned by PayPal, is now accepting Bitcoin as payment. So that's recent news and that's real big. So that's definitely going to help Bitcoin's case out for the future. And obviously if big companies like PayPal and obviously owns Venmo, if they're implementing crypto, I mean, they clearly believe in it. They're not just going to do that for fun or if they think it's going to go to zero or nothing like that. So that is a good sign. And I do think Bitcoin right now I'm not a real big Bitcoin guy in general. I really like focusing on business fundamentals and long-term investing. If you haven't watched my channel, that's really what I preach. But I would be opening to starting a position in Bitcoin. I know there's a lot of resistance, like sub 31K. I know there's a big resistance line. I don't really do technical analysis much, but I do know that there is a strong hold at 31K, and if it goes under that, it will most likely go to like the 20K range. So if it breaks through this 31K line and somehow gets to like 21K or 20K, I will start a very, very small position. Obviously a fraction of the coin. I'm not putting $20,000 into Bitcoin if I haven't even started a position. But with its future, and if it gets to 20K, I would love to start a position. And a lot of the Bitcoin guys say that every time it rockets up and then corrects and crashes down, it's never gone under a previous high. So in 2017, it hit 18, 19,000. So I feel like 20K is a great buy just because a lot of people believe in Bitcoin of trends and patterns and stuff like that. So if it does hit 20K, it's something I would be interested in starting a position. If it happens to go down below 19K, it might fall to like 9, 10K again. I'll gladly double down at that point and make my cost base like 15, 16K because I do believe in it long term. However, 32K for me, at least for the risk I'm willing to take and for what I feel Bitcoin is right now, I believe it's a little too rich still for me. For people out there that bought it at 50, 60, 70K, they're getting hosed right now, and it's just not a good place to be. So I don't want to be in that position. Obviously, a lot on top of Elon taking non-accepted, it's already coin. Recently, China just banned Bitcoin mining, and that's a big deal. Why? Because 90% of the coin comes from China. So, 90% is offline in China right now. So they banned it because it was dirty and this and that. So that's a really bad short-term thing for Bitcoin. So long-term, these are kind of my thoughts. I think that, really the US, America is gonna find cleaner solutions to mine Bitcoin, maybe with like wind, solar, or other alternative, energies to mine for Bitcoin, which is awesome. When that gets established, maybe China will reevaluate how they do it or follow suit, or maybe, America and other countries will just find cleaner ways to mine it. Therefore, Elon will probably make a tweet, which I don't like about Bitcoin either. He controls the market. I mean, if he writes a positive thing about Bitcoin, like, oh, Bitcoin is being mined 90% on clean energy now, and I'm accepting it again, you'd see Bitcoin skyrocket over like the second that post is hit. But anyways, I do think long term it will come back up and hit all-time highs, and really be a great investment if you want to diversify. So that's kind of where I'm at with this. I'm kind of just waiting for the very bottom, which you could argue is not a good idea. But however, this isn't my bread and butter, but it is something I'm interested to start a position in. Therefore, I can really keep an eye on it and really track it. So to go on Coinbase, obviously, the more transactions, good or bad, that go out of crypto in general, it's good for this company. They're super profitable. They make a killing with the transaction fees. And I will continue to watch this. If it goes under 215, I'll probably buy more, or 200, I'll definitely buy. So I'll just keep slowly driving down my cost base. I do think Coinbase will be a big thing, in the future when crypto gets all worked out and, things get back on track. But I do like these two stocks, this is a stock, and I like, Bitcoin. I do, it's just a little rich for me. I'm not an expert at Bitcoin by any means, but just from what I've researched and found out, where I see like the resistance lines, like this is where I'm comfortable buying, like the 20K, 22K range. I mean, we'll see what happens, but it could move real quick, but it's got to get in the 20s for me to buy for sure. I'm not willing to buy at 30, 31K, because if it goes down to 20, if I buy at 30, I'll be quite upset I lost 33% of my money, just like I did in Coinbase. So I'm not trying to do that again. But I'll be transparent, is what it is. I mean, this is, I think, the only stock that I'm upside down right now. I could be wrong. I think it's only one of my 16 stocks. So that's okay. I mean, it's a long-term play. I'll just keep chipping away at it. So if you like these videos, I know it's a little different. Just make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know your thoughts on Coinbase and Bitcoin. If you have a different approach, I'd be really interested to hear what you guys have to say. So till tomorrow, peace.